Let's learn C's rock. I'm your host, Mr. Piano, and welcome to Oclef Kinder. We have 3 C's. Bass C, bass C. You can play with left hand, finger number 5, or pinky. Let's see, then we have middle C, middle C. You can play with both thumbs. And then we have treble C, which you can play with finger number 5 and the right hand, finger number 5. 3 spaces up. Treble C is 3 spaces up. Play and say the name of each C several times. Bass C, bass C, bass C, bass C. Now we're going to go to middle C with both thumbs. Middle C, middle C. Do you see my hands? Middle C, middle C. Right hand pinky. Treble C, which is 3 spaces up. Put your left hand thumb on middle C and say 1, 1. Next, let's skip from left hand 1 to 3. Then we'll step down to 4 and skip back up to our thumb. So, again, that's 1, right? 1 is on middle C. 1 we play twice. Skip down to 3. Step down to 4. And then we're going to skip back up to the thumb. So let's play that one more time. 1, 1, 3, 4, 1. Good. Next, let's find treble C with right hand finger number 3. So this is middle C again. And we're going to find the C above that. Treble C. Can you find all of the C's on your piano? Let's move on. So we played left hand 1, 1, 3, 4, 1. Skipping up to right hand 3, 3 on that C. The next 2 measures are exactly the same, so let's play that again. 1, left hand 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 3. Good, let's look at the next line. Here we are going to expand the hand, left hand. So we have our thumb on middle C. Did you find middle C with your thumb? And then 5 is going to jump down to low C, so bass C here. So we play 1, 1, going down to finger 5 on that low C. So again, that's 1, 1, 5. Do you see this number 5? I'm going to highlight that number 5. And then we go up to 1. Do you see this 1? We play that twice. Twice, 1, 1. And look, it looks kind of like the beginning. 3, 4. Skipping back up to 1. And skipping up to C with the 3rd finger, high C. Let's play the whole thing. this time let's say the finger numbers. 1, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 3. 1, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 3. 1, 1, 5, 5. 1, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 3. How'd you do? If you want to go back and practice that with your parents, go right ahead. Let's say the words with it. Let's sing the words. Rock on treble C. Rock on treble C space 3. Leap an octave. Rock on treble C. How'd you do? You rock. See you soon and happy practicing.